No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still.
Hey y'all, what's up? This is Ray Mack from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. This is what we're gonna do today, y'all. It's late. I'm talking about, it's what, about I think it's like 11 o'clock, and I'm hungry. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna fix me a sandwich, y'all. All right, just a regular old sandwich. Well, not a regular old sandwich, but I'm trying to do the right thing, and this is what I'm gonna fix. So I got me a little sandwich bread right here, and I got me some sandwich meat, and this is what I got as far as the meat. I got some cooked ham, okay, and then I got some rotisserie flavored chicken breast now, and then I got some turkey breast. You can get the daily meat, man, do all you can or whatever like that. I got this at Walmart, and I'm telling you now, this is, to me, this is cheaper than getting that daily meat. And then I got me some cheese. I got Swiss cheese, Deli-Style cheese, and some pepper jack cheese, Deli-Style. And I got some, I know a lot of y'all like your Dukes and you like your Hellmann's. I just like Miracle Whip. Just my preference right now on the sandwich. And then I got some taco seasoning with some tomatoes, some lettuce, and some bacon. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my little sandwich bread, okay? I'm going to take my sandwich bread, and I'm going to split this completely in half. Alright? That's all I want to do, is just completely split that bread in half. And this is what I want to do first. This is my bottom bun, but my top bun, I'm going to set the top bun there. And I'm going to take this here taco seasoning, okay? I got the hot kind. And I just want to put this in my Miracle Whip. Or you could act like this is Duke's or Hellmann's or whatever. Put a little bit of that in there. Mix it up. Fix it up however you like it. This is how I like mine. Alright. First thing I'm going to do, after that, take some of this here meat. I got the turkey. Lay me some out. And this is the late at night. Say the early bird gets the worm. He can have it, I don't care. Then I'm going to take some of the chicken breast. Take a few slices of that chicken breast. And I'm going to take some of this here to work tomorrow too. Fix me a sandwich for the job. I can get plenty of sandwiches out of this. Sure enough. Alright. And then I'm going to take some of this here ham. And to me, man, this is still a good way of eating. You don't have to go and get them fast food burgers and all the other kind of stuff, and you still save money. That's just my opinion. You can still save money. And I'm going to be real with you, this is budget friendly in my book. Now I'm going to take the bacon. We had some, we had breakfast dinner last night, and we had some bacon left over. So I'm going to take this, and I'm using that bacon. Take my cheese, put that right on top of it. And so what I'm going to do with this, you can break your cheese up if you want, but I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put this in the oven, 400-degree oven, and just let this cheese melt just a little bit. So let me get a pan right quick. just gonna take this and just put it on top of that pan rack. Let her melt, put it on in the oven. So all I want to do is just melt that. So meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this here Miracle Whip, and some of you guys love Dukes. Some of you guys love Hellman's. Hey, it's all good. Put just a little bit more of that. There we go. Take some of our shredded lettuce. I'm going to use the rest of this here lettuce probably for salad tomorrow for lunch when I get home. And I do smoothies in the morning, so I'm going to show you guys my little smoothie recipes that I use in the morning, well, fix in the morning. Then I'm going to take some of this here tomatoes, put some tomatoes right there. Let me move that out the way. Let me get on some salt. And I want some pepper, because I want a little bit of that on that too. Put a little salt and pepper on that. Yes indeed, salt and pepper, baby. There we go. We got that cheese coming along. See if y'all can see this. Like I say, this is a late night meal for me. Alright, we got our cheese melted up on our meat. And this is how it looks with the cheese, the bacon, and the ham, turkey, and the chicken. And now, you just want to put that on top. That's the bottom bun. Now I want you guys to see how this looks. And go ahead and give this a cut. There you go. This is your Deli-Style chicken sandwich. I mean, your Deli-Style sandwich. And I'm about to tear down into this right quick. Yes, I am. About to tear into it. That's good. That's real good. On Sundays, we will be trying something new. It is called Subscriber Shout Out Sunday. So if you have a YouTube channel and you would like to have a shout out for your channel, all you have to do is go to the Show More section and fill out the subscriber form, and you will get a shout out from Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Now, this is another thing I like for you guys to do. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture, and you could also check out this video while you're here. So thank you, love and not hate. Peace, love you all. Before I go, love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.